Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We are now doing breaking news here with the Robinhood earnings report. It's your very first time here. Click subscribe and ring the bell, and of course give us a follow as well. We trade live every morning, our own money live on Robinhood with the opening bell and the closing bell. But right now we've got earnings reports from Robinhood, and we're going to go right over to that live right now. Here we go. Let's join into the call right now as we watch the shares.
Accounts in the quarter, which was...
How are you thinking about that for the rest of the year?
Yeah, so, as you know, kind of historically, we've
jump
seen
across between
the majority of our
the live
customers coming to
and,
us
the shares
either organically
right now.
or through
so
our customer referral channel.
Put your comments in the live chat as well.
Similar rates by channel in Q2. Looking forward, we expect to continue to have, a robust customer referral platform. We are investing in more broad-scale brand advertising to get our message out to customers, and so you should expect to see us to continue to, invest in those kinds of messaging. But structurally, we've been very efficient in the way that we acquire our customers, and we expect to be diligent going forward.
So welcome to the live stream. We're watching, hi Kenneth, we're watching the earnings report here from Robinhood, reporting live. This is live as it's happening. Not good, Kenneth says, not good at all.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Sean Horgan of Rosenblatt. Your line is open.
Hey, thanks for taking my question. First one's on cash management. I wanted to get a sense.
So we're listening live here into Robinhood. Give us a thumbs up to help support the video, get more people joining us live in the chat. We've got all sorts going on here. The report for the earnings is way down. For
your monetization strategy longer term, and more specifically, do you have any aspirations to offer things like interest earning crypto accounts or crypto rewards to retain users and drive inflows onto your platform?
Yeah, I can field the second one. So certainly we see a lot of enthusiasm from our crypto community. I think the nearer term kind of foundational feature that we'll be looking to roll out will be wallets or deposit and withdrawal functionality. We've also heard a lot of excitement and enthusiasm for increasing the listings that we have on our platform, so adding more coins. That's something we're looking to. Crypto interest and rewards are something that we're hearing as well. So,
of course, we're looking to hear about the wallets. This is live as well, happening to you. And look at the earnings; it's dramatically dropped.
So, crypto started off 2021 as a very small team. The team has been growing. It's really become, a great center of excellence for engineering and product within the company. We're proud of the work there, and I think we're excited to build for customers.
Please share your thoughts in the live chat. We'd love to know what you think about all of this.
I think there was a question as well that you asked about cash management monetization. Maybe Jason.
Yeah, what I would tell you, Sean, is that our intention is to pass a ton of value back to customers who are participating with our debit card and cash management product. We're excited about rewards and incentives.
Hi, Kenneth. What's your thoughts on this? What's your thoughts on where we're at with the drop in earnings? We knew it was coming, but it's huge. What do you think? What's your thoughts?
Market share trends and the competitive landscape. Vlad, I think you mentioned, listings as being an area of interest for customers. So, whether it's speed to listing, new in-demand assets, or pricing, just want to get a sense for what makes a user choose Robinhood over a different platform.
Yeah, I think that this year in particular, I think customers have really started to appreciate the two key value propositions behind crypto, which are the fact that it's a low-cost offering. We're very proud of the pricing and the cost that we offer to customers, and especially relative to our competitors. Some some companies are charging multiple percents transaction fees and commissions, and Robinhood has been commission free, and we're proud of the deal that we offer, and I think customers choose us for that. And also the fact that it's accessible, that everything is in one place with securities, with cash management, and with crypto, and that it's easy to understand and it meets customers where they are, I think has continued to be an attractive aspect of our offering. And I think that's something we'll be looking to continue as we build out more functionality, add new coins, and give people the ability to move their coins.
There, Kenneth said, let's bring his comment up on the screen. It's a lot more of a drop than I thought it was going to be, especially preceding the call. And this call was mostly fluff. It's not impressive and doesn't offer anything but future ideas.
Coins onto and off the platform.
Great. Thanks for taking my questions.
I think we have time for about 2 more questions.
Excellent. Our next question comes from Jason Bazinet of Citi. Your line is open.
Thanks. I just had a question about your accounts. If you took your current account base at 22 million and said a certain percentage have never had a brokerage account anywhere else, based on whatever that number is, how deeply penetrated do you think you are in that segment of the market before you?
Thanks, Jason. I think what you're referring to is that our customers tell us when they join, about 50% of the time they tell us that they're new to investing, that this is their first brokerage account. I think that's really speaking kind of directly to our mission to provide access to the financial system, and we're really, really proud of that. By definition, the other half have brokerage accounts elsewhere, and so I really think this speaks to an opportunity.
If it's your first time here, please do subscribe and ring the bell, and of course give us a thumbs up as we're reporting live here now, live on the earnings report from Robinhood.
Opportunity for us to continue to reach out to people who don't have investing accounts. We think there's no reason why anyone shouldn't be an investor. Investing is literally for everybody, and so that in terms of the way we think about it, globally, anyone with a checking account, possibly with crypto where you don't even need a checking account, we think is part of the addressable market for us. And then as we continue to roll out products and features to grow with our customers, I think more and more you're going to see Robinhood, particularly with our mobile-first platform and ease of use, become incredibly attractive to folks that haven't previously considered Robinhood as the go-to place. So we're pretty optimistic about the opportunity ahead of us, and that's limiting the response to investing. I think there's a lot more that we can do when we talk about being the single money app for our customers globally.
Yeah, I would also say that according to some recent research, about 60% of Americans don't have investments outside of retirement, and a greater percentage of 18 to 29-year-olds, 68%, have no money invested altogether. So even though we've made progress, I think there's a lot to do to encourage greater participation.
So as you can see, if you just tuned in, welcome. We are doing live earnings report from Robinhood here, live on the Day Trader, and it's happening live. We're watching the shares as they fall due to the announcement. Please put your comments in the live chat. We'd love to know what you think.
Just contextualize, just in terms of orders of magnitude, how pronounced of a slowdown you're seeing in 3Q, just to help frame just overall activity levels you're seeing within the Robinhood ecosystem.
Yeah, thanks for your question. What I tell you highlighted seasonality. For brokerages, traditionally, the first quarter and into the second quarter tend to be the highest activity quarters in terms of trading.
Please help us reach more people by clicking the thumbs up and letting everyone know we're here so we can get more chat going on. Tell me what you think. What do you think of Robinhood? Leave it in the live chat and we'll share it on the screen with you, with everyone.
Accounts, with the back half of the year being less so, Robinhood is becoming a bigger portion of the overall market, and so seasonality is something that we pay attention to. The other thing that we benefit from over time is volatility. And there's been several moments of pretty notable volatility in the markets, not just in equities, which was mostly in Q1, but also with crypto, which is in Q2. Makes it incredibly difficult to predict when those moments will continue or happen again.
If you'd like your thoughts shared, just write them in the live chat and then we'll post them on the screen so everyone can see them.
But when they do happen, Robinhood tends to have an outsized benefit from that, a really strong tailwind. And because of that, we're not really predicting, short-term results. We're more focused on kind of the long-term opportunity. And there we have some pretty dramatic and helpful tailwinds for us. I think crypto, as you saw in Q2, is becoming incredibly more mainstream and accepted in a way that didn't previously exist even a year ago. If you go back 1 year, we had $5 million in revenue from crypto. Very, very small. This year, it's 45 times higher than that. It really put Robinhood on the map for crypto. And in terms of trading levels overall, I would just point you to kind of the external market factors that'll give you a pretty strong indication.
No, I agree, Kenneth. Vlad is a terrible CEO for the company. He's absolutely useless at promoting what he's doing, but I agree with you on that.
Of how we're doing so far, but we think it's appropriate to provide the commentary about Q3, and we'll continue to deliver on products for customers.
Thanks so much. And just one final one for me, just on a longer term opportunity. You alluded to your interest in expanding internationally. I was hoping you could unpack what the potential strategy could be to expand abroad. Maybe what gives you confidence you can scale, given a number of U.S. brokerages over the years have certainly tried and failed to expand abroad. And PFOF, your primary source of revenue, is also banned in a number of international jurisdictions.
Yeah, what I would tell you, and I'm sure Vlad has some comments here, is we've done a lot of work over the last year to year and a half, expanding the platform here domestically. We're in a position to look at each international market, kind of uniquely based on the assets that we have. Today, we've got a very strong.
If you want to make your voice heard, just drop your comments in the live chat. We'll share it with everyone. Just put your comments in there. Give us a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe and ring the bell. We really appreciate that very much indeed.
Crypto business. We certainly have an investing business, and with Forex fees. There's just a number of ways that we could look at monetizing those businesses in the absence of payment for order flow.
That's great color. Thanks for accommodating the additional questions.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for taking the time for the call today, and we look forward to catching you on the next one.
Appreciate the questions. Thank you.
Yep, very much. Thank you.
This concludes today's conference call. Thank you for participating. You may now disconnect.
There we go. There we go. That was a live report. So what do we think about that? This was an extra show tonight on the Day Trader. I saw some breaking news and decided to come back. So thank you, Kenneth, for joining me. I mean, that's a huge drop, right? That's a huge drop in revenue. They was expecting it to be down 0.15, and it was down 0.2, 0.16. So that was a very dramatic drop. Sad, very sad indeed it was. So where do we think the market's going to go now? I mean, let's have a look where we are right now. It's 5 to 5. The market is 5 minutes left of trading, so you could put an order in there. I could put an order in and sell my shares, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that because of the 30-day penalty, but I do expect it to drop tomorrow. I'm up 21%. We could drop a long way before I'll actually be out of the money. We shall see what happens in the morning. What do you think? What's your predictions? That was the live earnings report here today. Some earning report that was. Not impressive, but there it is. There it is. That's the earnings report live here on the Day Trader. Thanks for joining me. If any final thoughts, drop them in the comments. Love to know what you think. There we go. So That's it. I'll see you back in the morning when we digest all of this, and let's see how it all pans out in the morning. Shares could be up, shares could be down. I would anticipate quite a rocky road. It's going to drop. Absolutely it is. Absolutely it will. So you could say, should I sell? I mean, it's a bit late now. Bit of a rush job now. So we'll leave that. Yeah. Let's see what happens in the morning. All right. Not great. Kenneth, thanks ever so much for joining me. I'll see you all back here in the morning. It just leaves me to say, God bless America, God save the Queen. Oh, hang on, wrong one. That's the one I want. God bless America, God save the Queen. I'll see you all back in the morning. Be safe. See you then.